In this video, we will explain how you can make use of the Help section to find answers to your questions and connect with our support team in case you need more help.
You can access the Help section by clicking on Help from the side panel of your PhonePe Business dashboard. To make it easy to find answers, the Help section is organized into 3 categories. Getting started is where you'll find everything on onboarding and integration. Managing your account, which covers profile, settlements, payment links, refunds, reports, invoices, and unable to accept payments to help you with any payment-related concerns.
You can also use the search bar at the top to find answers instantly. If you have a concern, browse the relevant section for a quick solution. In case you still need help, please click Contact Us. All tickets raised for the concerns you've reported are available in the View Your Tickets section.
You can also give feedback on FAQs. Click thumbs up if it helped, or thumbs down if it didn't, and share why. This helps us improve our services. Whether you're looking for a quick answer or need to connect with our team, everything you need is right here in the Help section.